Okay, let's do a fried rice. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon, good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. So I have some leftover rice. So I want to do a fried rice. I promise I will. Not promise. I was saying that I want to do something like 100 kinds of fried rice. So let's turn on the fire. Very strong. And beat the egg. I will use 2 eggs. Some salt and pepper. Let me cover up my yogurt. And time to say hello. Hello. Bye bye. Hello. Bye bye. Take it out, and I have some vegetable. This is a salty vegetable and champignons I cooked in advance, and we have some green beans. Rice. Almost not a single drop. Pepper, hello. Bye-bye. Hello. Bye-bye. Cover it and make the fire slower and we will take this time to care about our yogurt meal. Okay, cover it up. Turn the fire stronger. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, okay. Turn off the fire, cover it up. Now I turn the fire strong. That is it. Bon appetito fried rice. Give me 1 minute. Right, rice. I already turned off the fire. Okay, beautiful, isn't it? Bon appetito.